Hello, ninth graders. In this presentation, I'm going to walk you through how to complete numbers 5 and 6 in your library orientation task sheet. So let's get started with number 5. In number 5, you're asked to go back to the learn.xbhs.com website. Just want to highlight that address for you one more time, learn.xbhs.com. And when you come to that website, you come to this page, this startup page for all our library databases. The directions are asking you to use Explorer grades 9 through 12. Let's just verify that that's in the directions right there. Open Explorer grades 9 through 12. And then you're going to do a search. Everybody has a different search term. This particular person has the search term of Florida oranges. So let's see what that looks like. So we open up Explorer grades 9 through 12. If we're asked to log in, we use our XBHS logon credentials, which I just did right there. And I come to the Explorer grades 9 through 12 search page. And I'm going to type in Florida oranges. And I hit the search button. Now you notice that the results list has 1,528 items in it. Let's go back to the directions for a second. This is a part where a lot of students miss this point in the directions. You're being asked to narrow down the results list by selecting magazines under source types. What does that look like? Look to the left side of the page. If you look to the left side of the page, you see a section called Source Types. You click on Magazines, you put the check mark in that box, and now 1,528 results is 97. We've got 97 results, and most of these are magazine articles. In fact, to fill in the blanks on your task sheet, you need go no further than this page right here. Here's the title of a magazine article, Farm Tourism, a case study in Florida, Florida's orange groves. Here's the information that you need in the second line. The title of the magazine is always italicized. There's your date, September 2000. There's your page number 146. What do I do with this information? I take this information and I put it right here in these blanks. It's a long title, so I've only used the first 5 words or so of the title. Magazine, Parks and Recreation, date September 2000, page 146. Where did I find that information again? I found it all in the first 2 lines of this entry. I do not have to go beyond this point. So that's for number 5. So there's what my response for number 5 looks like. Now let's move on to number 6. If we scroll down to number 6, being asked to use the biography databases, again available at learn.xbhs.com. And I'm going to do a search on a man named John Roberts. So, what is that going to look like? Let's go back to that page. I click on Biography Databases. It's one of these smaller buttons. And I come to a page called Essential Biographies. So I'm going to type in Roberts John. I'm going to hit the Go button. And I find that we have an article on a man named John Roberts, who was the American Supreme Court Chief Justice. I open up that article. And in that article, I should be able to find the information about this man's place of birth and the colleges that he attended. I have to read through the article to find that he was born in Buffalo, New York, and he attended Harvard as an undergrad and attended Harvard Law School. So that's how that will work. Again, that information might not be in the first sentence or the second sentence of the article, and sometimes it might be. You might have to read a little further down. Sometimes you might get all the information in the first sentence. It's up to you to use your reading comprehension abilities to know where that information is located. And if you have trouble finding it, you read through the article a couple of times and you still can't find it, then I suggest that you come and see one of the librarians. So then you complete that information right there in the blanks provided for number 6, and you're done with numbers 5 and 6. Always keep in mind, ask questions if you're confused or unsure about any part of the assignment. Thank you very much.